as we prepare to worship, there's a line in this first song that says, "Open up the heavens, we want to see you." And it points to the anticipation of the works of God and the glory of God. It specifically points to the amazing things that God has done in this past year and the amazing things that God is going to do in this next year as well. So let's take this opportunity to celebrate the power, the glory of God, and His greatness.
Gathered in your name, calling out to you. Your glory like a fire, awakening desire, will burn our hearts with truth. You're the reason we're here. You're the reason we're singing. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. Your presence in this place, your glory on our face, we're looking to the sky. A cloud, you're standing with us now. Lord, unveil our eyes. You're the reason we're here. You're the reason we're singing. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart.
Your power, show us your glory.